Hello everybody, my name is Shaya and I'm from Australia. I have visited here in the Teary farm last night, and I just want to show you all around. So we'll start from here. Let's have a look. Look at the hills, the beautiful hills. Amazing place. It's called the Teary farm, and this is my husband. He's having a great time on a swing. I just want to say, can you say hello to the people?
What is my name?
You tell your name.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't want to tell. Okay, so we'll go through the hammocks. There's 2 hammocks here. Have a look around. Beautiful. I had some photos in there. I might post some photos. There's another hammock and there's another swing. So much to relax. Nice sitting chairs, the benches, and there's a mountain bike there as well, and that's the place. I just want to show you around here. Beautiful. Have a look around. So we're going to the entrance now. I started from the inside and now I'm going out. So have a look around and then I'll give you the view from the front so you can have a look. Look at this. Look at this. This is all raw, antique. Beautiful place. No pollution at all. But people like us, look at it. Like, I wish we could have reached here without a car, so we could have stopped a little bit more pollution, but I think that's a bit impossible to do it because I'm coming from Dehradun at the moment. So have a look around here. So you just have a look around here. Beautiful place. And when we came here, we also planted a tree. So I'm gonna just show you. I'm walking through and I'll show you where we planted the tree. Just look around. Look around. Please, people all over the world, US, Australia, Canada, wherever you guys are, UK or New Zealand. There's lots of Uttarakhandi associations are there as well. Please check it out and do visit here. This is our friends, Mr. Unyal. This farm belongs to them and we are so fortunate to visit here. So just look around. Look at these marigolds, beautiful argenda fool. That's beautiful. Have a look around. That's my childhood memories when I used to live in Kualagar. That's my mother's house, and we used to grow these marigolds. Beautiful. And have a look around and then I will show you all the plantation and everything. Have a look. Beautiful sceneries, the mountains, the lavish green trees. Look around. So I'm going to the front gate now. Just walking through. Walk with me, please. Just have a look and then I'll show you the front view. Okay, so this is the place. This is the place. Have a look. Have a look around. So I'm just going to turn this way. I'm just looking if I can see the beautiful lake. Oh yeah, I can see from here. Have a look. I hope you can see. It's quite sunny, but I'm sure you can see the view. Have a look around. Beautiful. So if you'll walk like just down there, so that's Tiri Dam, not so far, around 8 kilometers from here. And have a look around here. That's, if you can see, that's Shri Shri Ashram. Just look around there. That's the big place over there. Oh, look at all the goats. Beautiful. Nice. Have a look around. So now I'm turning back. So I'm entering now. So this is the entrance. I will show you the main view. The front view, I mean. That's the front view. Okay, so I'm just going to go down. I'm going to show you some plantation. The people who are visiting here, they're planting the trees. So I'm going to show you that. So bear with me. Have a look around. It might be a very long video, but we'll see what can we do about it later on. Just have a look, and I'm going to show you my tree as well where we planted. Have a look. Isn't that amazing place? Heaven in the world. This is the heaven, guys. This is the heaven. There's no words to describe this place. If you want to unwind from the metropolitan cities, please do visit here. These are the tree people have been planting. These are the trees. There's more trees. There's more trees. More trees. So these are the trees people have been planting. Have a look around this side, and then I'm going to show you my plant as well. So just walk through. I think I have to go this way, probably. Let's go inside there. Just a little bit more. This place I can show you. Have a look around. Yeah, that's the front view. Check it out. And that's how they preserve the grass, I think. There's actually some buffaloes as well next door. Pumpkin, look at the pumpkin up there. They grow pumpkins, they grow a lot of vegetables, and they use those vegetables to feed the guest. So you are getting all the organic food. Have a look here. So these are the plants I think people have planted. I'm gonna have a look which one we did last night. So we're gonna just have a look around. That's a guava tree, I think, there. Oh wow, I'm gonna show you something. Have a look here. I even didn't check it out last night. Have a look. Wow. Are they oranges or mandarin? I'm not sure. Wow, they're tiny. Beautiful. I want to taste them later. If we can eat it, I'm not sure. I'll ask Mr. Neon. Have a look. These are the trees people have been planting. So these are the trees. Have a look. So our tree we planted Amrapali. So I'm gonna show you my tree. This is the one. Have a look. So that's our tree. Wow, isn't that great? I hope it can start fruiting in a couple of years. Beautiful. And look at here. Wow, look at this. It's a chiku. There's one chiku already there. That's a tiny little tree. So this is Tea Farm, guys. I'm gonna say goodbye now, but please, all over the world, I'm asking you guys to do visit the tea farm. You're gonna love it. The facilities.
Sam says do something cringe. What do you need $1 for?
I just said I don't have any cash on me.
Hey, what's up?
This is world class. They took care of the hygiene, and the food is amazing. It's you can get very close to the native food, the Garhwali food, the gat and the tor, dal paratha, and I had jeera aloo last night, and hari sabji was delicious, and the room was perfect, immaculate. So please, people, come and visit. And thank you, Mr. Nial and Dr. Deepti, for having us in your farm. And I wish I would have come, I could have come back. I hope so. So sometime next year or sometime, I definitely will come back. Thank you. Goodbye.